This key compliance requirements. So, payroll compliance involves adhering to various statutory requirements related to employee compensation and benefits. Like while calculating compensation and benefits, we have to comply with some requirements, with some rules, with some statutory requirements. So, what are they? Some critical compliance areas are like PF, Provident Fund. We have to deduct it. Again, I have done a practical session. You can find it in the payroll processing playlist. Even on this channel, I have done 3 sessions where I have discussed about the how to calculate net salary and about the attendance leave and all. Okay, there are total 3 sessions are there. You can check those sessions from the pinned comment. You will find it. Next is now a PF overview. The Employees Provident Fund is a retirement benefit scheme mandated by the Employees Providence and Miscellaneous Provisions Act 1952. This is a retirement benefit scheme which is mandated. This is mandatory. People often say that, ma'am, it is mandatory for our organization to deduct PF, but we are not deducting. Why you are not deducting? Why you are not able to convince your organization, your company to deduct? Why you are not telling them? Why you are not following these rules while calculating the payroll? Okay, so this is a big question. You must ensure that yes, you have told them, you have asked them, or you have discussed this matter with them. Okay, and if possible, mark a mail regarding this, that this is a statutory compliance and we are not following this. We must deduct PF. Okay. Next is employer's role again. Now see, employers must contribute 12% of the employee's basic salary to the EPF account with an equal contribution from the employee. Now here also people ask me, or you can say they complain, they say that okay, employers are not deducting, and even if they are deducting from employee's salary only. See, this 12% from the employer's side is from employer's side, not from employee's side. Okay, so this you have to understand, that if you are depositing this amount and if it's not from the employer's side, then yes, you are not complying. Okay, then it is non-compliance of this provident. Then it is non-compliance of Provident Fund Act. Okay, so the employer is responsible for depositing both contributions, yes, with the Employees Provident Fund organization. Now let me clear it again. There are two sides of PF, Provident Fund. One is employer side, other side is employee side. Okay, so employer side is from employers only. Okay, they have to add that 12% plus cess and all from their side, and from salary employee side is deducted, and that combined is deposited in employees provident fund organization. Okay, so this is the proper procedure.